ZTE Axon 7, let me show you top tricks for the following device. So at the very beginning, let me show the first one, so the toolkit. Let's just tap it right here, the toolkit, and here you can use a couple of useful things. You can use, for example, here the compass. Here you've got the instructions and you can check out your position. You can also use here the ruler. You can use other things such as noise tester. You can use the plumb line and other stuff. Alright, let's go back. Let's go for the second trick. So let me show the Nightlight. So it's really a useful thing and it's really important to protect your eyes. So let's tap settings right here. Choose here display. Tap here the Nightlight. And as you can see, here you've got the information that the Nightlight tints your screen amber. So it's easier to look at your screen or read in the dim light, so it's good to enable sometimes the Nightlight right here. You can also turn on automatically the Nightlight by using the sunset to sunrise option. You can also set up the curve effect right here. Alright, that's it. Let's go for the third trick. So let me show you the features. Let's open the settings right here. Scroll down and choose features. As you can see here, you can use a couple of useful things. For example, you can use the glove mode, so you can use your device with the glove. You can use the scheduled power on and power off. So you can also use the change phone if you would like to transfer data. You can use the change phone. And you can use other things right here. For example, the navigation keys. You can use the following style or you can use the following one, so you can switch the back and reset apps, and you may also use some gesture and motions right here. Alright, let's go for the next trick. Let me show you the test mode. So all you need to do is just open the phone and let's use this secret code *983 *0 pound. As you can see, the test mode just pops up. So this is the hardware test mode. You can test a couple of features of your device. For example, you can test your LCD, all colors of your screen. If everything is correct, let's tap pass. You can test the vibrator. You can choose pass or fail, and other stuff such as the handset, fingerprint, camera, GPS, email, whole test, Wi-Fi, and other stuff as well. If you would like to quit this mode, let's use back key. And now let's go for the last trick, so the save mode. You can also get access to a save mode just by using the power key. Here let's tap restart, touch restart again, and now let's be prepared to start holding the volume down as soon as phone vibrates. So now we need to start holding volume down and let's wait a few seconds until the save mode pops up. Excellent, as you can see, the save mode is right here, so you can unlock your screen and start using your device without the third-party apps. And if you would like to quit the save mode, let's just simply press power key, touch restart and touch restart again. Now let's just wait a couple of seconds until you will be able to use your device. And that's it, your phone is in a normal mode. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.